What up, good people? Oh my goodness. Welcome back. Welcome back to our month-long declutter challenge. Oh my goodness. Yesterday we purged the kitchen cabinets. Today we're going to be focusing on storage solutions. So, one of the keys to decluttering is having functional storage solutions that'll help you stay organized. So today's task is to buy functional storage items for your kitchen, your bathroom, your living area, and for cleaning supplies. So I kind of like this challenge because I like shopping. I love shopping. And I love doing things like getting storage stuff. It's just my thing. I usually end up having like extra storage items around that I could use for future endeavors, but you don't have to do that. But that's just me. That's just me being being the extra person that I am. So of course, we're going to focus on those functional pieces. So, that's the key word here, functional, right? So to help you get started, of course, we created a guide that had 4 places for you to write down those storage solutions for each area of your home that you're planning to organize. So take a few minutes to think about what those, what items you may need from the store and, how you can make the most of your space. So remember I said I have this guide? Of course. So look, it's all there for you. So it has like a space for the kitchen, a space for the bathrooms, a space for the living areas, and a space for your cleaning stuff. So once you have your list, it's time to go shopping for all of the pieces that you're going to need, right? All those storage containers and shelves and things for your shelves and other organizational products. So look for those functionally, aesthetically pleasing pieces, that'll most likely make you use them. That's really important. So you don't want to like just go get this rando stuff. I mean, you can, if that's you, that's fine. But for me, it'll be leopard print and, some form of leopard print or something like that. So anywho's. So anyways, wonder why this stopped. Let's just keep it going, shall we? Anywho. So anyways, as you organize your space, right? For the new items, take a moment to reflect on how much more functional and relaxing it feels now that everything has a place, right? You're creating space that brings joy and peace. So go out and do all the things, right? So hopefully you'll find something that would work for your needs. And I'm so excited that you came to join me once again for another episode of the Declutter Challenge. Now, about this guide, be sure to download your full guide at lbcbranding.link/declutter to help you stay on track. And also remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more. So we will see you tomorrow for yet another challenge to help you declutter your mind and space. Oh my goodness. Deuces. See you tomorrow.